The next pillar of health, very, very important, would be to move, to exercise. This body is best understood like a machine. It is a machine, a very, very sophisticated, gifted machine that the divine has blessed us with. To give it like a carrier, like a vehicle to go through a journey of life. It's our duty to look after it, to let it function the best. That is what this wants, because the human body and the mind has been born to do our karma, and we can't perform our karma unless we are in good health. And good health would be to keep this machine clean, as we talked about having a clean colon. If you have a clean body and mind, there will be no deposits anywhere, whether it's in the lungs or arteries or heart or liver or anywhere. Each organ will do its optimum function in coordination with the rest of the body. So to do that, to exercise is very important, because that's what will purify the blood from its toxins. As we move, the blood will detoxify, it will throw out the toxins. And so you take any form of exercise. Yoga is the best, because this body has so many purzas. You know, purzas is the different parts of the machine that you cannot just service it by just doing one form of exercise. It can't be just running or just walking or just swimming or just playing one sport. The yoga is the only form of exercise in which each and every joint, every ligament, every bone, every muscle gets serviced. It gets lubricated, it gets cleansed, it gets its movement, because it works on each and every hormonal gland, each and every psychic centers as well. You know, this is the only way of exercise which works on your mind and body, to put it in coordination so that you can let it work beautifully in harmony, in rhythm. And without this, nothing is possible. So I'm sorry, you cannot be lazy. You can be lazy for one day or maybe 1 week in a year, but you cannot be lazy every day. Whether you do it for 15 minutes or you do it for an hour. Altogether in a week, you must do it for about 4 to 5 hours. So someday, if you have short time, you have to go somewhere in a hurry, you can do it for 15 minutes. So even yoga can be done in 15 to 20 minutes. 10 minutes of body postures, 5 minutes of breathing, and 5 minutes of meditation. That's a complete course to run your body and mind in coordination. So exercise, movement, very, very important. So devoted exercise in the morning. Sometimes people will tell me, oh, I did 7,000 steps. I counted it on my step counting machine. But that's not exercise, I'm sorry. That is something which is just an active life. A movement through the day also very important, because you have to keep the lungs getting cleansed and the kidneys getting, keep filtering by, of course, drinking lots of fluids. But dedicated exercise for each and every part of the body, and then a movement through the day by having an active life, going from here to there, taking the steps, not the lift, serving yourself for small needs that you have, not just every time ringing the bell or calling the servant. You need to help yourself to help your body to function in your favor. So it's happy and it keeps you happy, keeps you disease free. This whole episodes of 7 videos that we're doing on pillars of health with the holistic approach is to have a disease-free body and mind. Disease-free, doctor-free, medicine-free, hospital-free. Who wants to go to the hospital? You don't want to spend your life in an ICU on a machine supporting your breathing or your heart. You want to have an active, delightful life where you enjoy every living moment of your life till your end. That's how you have to prepare yourself each day. How you look after your mind and body every day is what will gift you back a stress-free, disease-free, trouble-free life. And that's what you want. You want to enjoy your life and you want to perform your karma, so you have a beautiful smile on your face and contentment in your heart when you go from this beautiful world on your forward journeys. So please take care of your body, move it, exercise it, yoga, some weight building also, because muscle strength is very important, because as you grow, your muscle tend to lose its power and you want to be on your feet when you go. So support your muscles by exercising them individually as well, which happens in yoga. When you do your Surya Namaskar, every part of the body gets exercised. If you want to do some body weights, you can do that. It's better than One more point I want to add is that it's better to exercise in the open with the 5 elements of nature. The sun giving you the sun bath, the air giving you the air bath, the greenery, the earth supporting you with its beautiful energy, and the sky right on your head is the best way to, and if you get lucky enough to have the water flowing next to you, like I have right now with the Ganges, the beautiful Ganges mother behind me, it's the best. But yeah, that may not be possible everywhere. But make sure that the other 4 elements are there with you when you exercise. This is much healthier, much more hygienic than working in an indoor air-conditioned gym, because air conditioning means you're taking everybody else's breath into you. You don't want that. You want the fresh air. Even if there is pollution, it's better than the air-conditioned breath of other people going inside you. And where there are lots of plants and trees, there would be much less pollution. So choose a spot or an area near you where you have Mother Nature, and that will heal you as well while you're exercising. It will uplift your mood, and you will be in a beautiful frame of mind and body to start your day. So start your day with the exercise, at least about 5 hours in a week, and remain active through the day. That is the best gift you can give yourself, to have a body serve you the way you want it to serve you. Thank you.